Hi, come on in. Today I'm going to show you how to make some crocheted hearts. Now you can do this in different sizes of wool to give you different sizes. So this is slightly finer, which is a double knitting, which is the equivalent of a category 3 weight yarn in US terms, and this is an iron weight yarn. I've also left the threads at the back here on this one so that they can be sewn onto something such as a bag or that for decoration. And this one I have crocheted some chain stitch at the top here after I'd finished the rest of it, so that it could be attached and it could be used to hang up. I'll put those out of the way. So to show you how to make this, I will be using a red iron weight for the heart, and obviously these are lovely little items as gifts or as little accessories. I'm going to use a size 5mm hook, darning needle and a pair of scissors. So to start with, we will do a magic knot. Now there's lots of different ways of doing this. I do have a little tutorial on them and you can have a look at those. We will start with our magic circle by putting it across the front of our hand, crossing it at the back there, so it's gone the whole way round the front, and then crossing it at the back. Take our crochet hook, put it under the first bit of wool, over the second, pulling it through and twisting. Put it under that bit of wool and pull that through that loop to make sure it's nice and secure. Now that's our first chain right there, and we're going to do a second chain stitch. So there we go, that's 2 chain stitches. Now into the magic circle we are going to do 15 UK trebles, US double crochets. So to do the UK trebles, you put wool around your hook, in through the magic circle, put the wool round your hook, pull it back through, giving you 3 loops on your hook, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook and pull through 2. So that's your first one. Then wool round your hook, put it in through your magic circle, making sure that you're holding that thread so that you can finish that in. Put the wool round your hook, pull it back through to give you those 3 loops, wool round your hook, pull it through 2, wool round your hook, pull through 2, and that gives you 2 treble crochets. Wool round your hook, in through, wool round your hook, pull back through, wool round, pull through 2, wool round your hook, pull through 2, and that is 3 treble crochets. Now we're going to continue and do 15 in total to form the starting row of this heart. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, so I'm going to pull that a little bit tighter, and I will just count these. So we have our chain stitch to begin with, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 treble crochets or US double crochets. Now I'm going to pull that a little bit tighter, not all the way tight, but enough that I can then finish it off. So we're going to go to the top of this chain stitches here, and we're going to put it in through that loop there, that stitch, pull through and pull through to form a slip stitch. And then we will do 2 chain, 1, 2, and in the same stitch here, right at the base, right there, you can see it, so you've got your 2 chain, and then in this stitch right there, we will do a treble crochet or US double. So we'll round your hook in through that stitch, we'll round your hook, pull back 3 stitches, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2. Now we're going to introduce a new stitch which is classed as a UK double treble or a US treble. So to do this, we'll round our hook once and then round our hook twice. We go into the next stitch here, right there, put your wool round your hook and pull it back, and we have 4 loops on our hook this time. Put your wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, pull through 2, and that just gives you a longer stitch. And we'll do that again. So we're doing 4 of these double trebles into this one stitch. So 1, 2, so twice round your hook, in through that same stitch, wool round your hook, pull it back, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, pull through 2. We'll do another one. So we've done 2, 1, 2, in through, pull it back to give you the 4 loops, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, pull through 2. So that's 3 in that same stitch, and we have to do 1 more. So wool round your hook twice, in through the stitch, wool round your hook, pull it back, 4 loops, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, pull through 2. So now what we're going to do is do 2 treble crochets into the next stitch. So wool round your hook, in through that stitch, wool round your hook, pull through, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, pull through 2. That's 1 into that stitch. We want a second one, wool round your hook, through the stitch, wool round your hook, pull back through, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, pull through 2. Now what we're going to do is do another slightly different one, which is a half treble. So to do this, it is wool round your hook, put through the stitch, wool round your hook, pull back through, giving you those 3 stitches, which is the same as a normal treble crochet. However, now what we do is put the wool round your hook and pull through all 3 of those stitches to form the half treble. And what we're going to do is do that into that one, so 4 stitches in total, so the one we've just done plus another 3. So we do the same thing, we'll in through, we've got the 3 stitches, pull through and pull through all 3. So that's our second one. We'll round the hook, in through, we'll round the hook, and then pull through all 3. And then the last one, we'll round your hook, in through, we'll round your hook, 3 loops, we'll round your hook and pull through all 3, forming, you can see the first side of your heart is almost complete. What we're going to do now is form that tip here, the tip of your heart. So we're going to do into the next stitch 1 treble, so that's a 1 treble, and then we're going to do the same as the stitch up here, which is a double treble. So once, twice round your hook, in through those stitches, back through to give you 4 loops, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, pull through 2, and wool round your hook, pull through 2. And then into the same stitch we're going to do another treble, so wool round your hook, in through that stitch, wool round your hook, pull back through, giving you the 3, wool round your hook, pull through 2, wool round your hook, pull through 2, and that forms the point of your heart. And then we're going to do the same up this side, just forming exactly the same as we did down this side. So it is the 4 half trebles into the next 4 stitches. So we'll round through the stitch, we'll round, pull through all 3 of those. So that's our first one, and this is our second one, and a third one, and our 4th half treble crochet. So that's our tip, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 half treble crochets. And now we're going to do the same as this other side, which is 2 trebles into the next stitch. So we'll round your hook through the next stitch, we'll round your hook, pull back through, we'll round, pull through 2, we'll round, pull through 2, and then a second one into the same loop. We'll round your hook in through there, we'll round your hook, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, and that is forming exactly the same as we did up that side. Now for the next loop, in the next stitch here, we're going to form the same as what we did over here, which is again those double treble crochets. So we'll round your hook twice into that next stitch, we'll round your hook, pull back through, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2. Next one, we'll round your hook twice, we'll round your hook, pull through, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2. And again, 1, 2, in through the same stitch, pull it back 4 stitches, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2. And that is our third one into that stitch, and we need 1 more. We'll round your hook twice into that same stitch, we'll round your hook, pull it back through, giving you the 4 loops. We'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2. And that gives us our final stitch to work with. And for this we're doing exactly the same as what we did here on this side. So we're doing a treble crochet into this stitch first. We'll round, pull through 2, we'll round, pull through 2. And to match this side, we're going to do 2 chain stitch. So 1, 2. And then we will slip stitch that to this particular stitch here, so that it matches the other side. So take your hook, put it through, put your wool round your hook, pull it through, and then pull it through that stitch to form the slip stitch. Sorry, just pull the wool through. Now we can pull this through. Now here is where you can either crochet. Now I crocheted for this one, I did 10 chains, and if you want to do the same, just do you can just crochet 10 chain, and then I slip stitch it in through this next one here to hold it on firmly and to make that loop that you can hang it with. Or you can do what I'm doing now, which is to pull it through, take your scissors and to cut it off. Pull it back through, so we get rid of that end. And there you go. Now I've left the gap in the middle, but obviously we can just turn it around, take hold of this end here and to pull that tight to give us our little red heart. Now what I also do with this is so that I can form a nice area to be able to tie to, I tend to take this one round through to the back. So I will use my darning needle and I take this through to the back of the back here of the heart so that I can use it there. And you can finish off your ends entirely so you've not got anything to tie it on with. You don't have to. You can sew it on in a different way, or you can just have it as a little heart. But it's entirely up to you. And then that gives me the ability to be able to use this to tie it on to an item of my choice. So that's how you make those little hearts, and I think they're really beautiful and can be used and quite versatile for a number of different things. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back on the channel very soon.